So last night, my Apple Watch, which I use all the time, the screen just randomly shattered. I'm sitting in my chair, I look down. It was fine a minute ago. When I sat down, boom, the screen shattered. It was so bizarre. So I go online, what to do, and I wind up in a chat with an Apple advisor, and he's saying there's a rare defect in the Series 2 and 3 Apple Watches and blah, 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 whatever. So he says, even though you don't have insurance, it's a defect. It sounds like it's going to be covered, which I'm just believing it is, and I'm hopeful. So I have a choice to take it to the Apple store, to mail it in a package that they send me, or take it to an authorized service place for them to send it in. So Best Buy was right down the road, and I opted to take it there. Well, the guy that waited on me should never speak to human beings. He has no people skills. In fact, when a supervisor or somebody came over to step in to assist, and she took care of whatever needed to be done, she says, okay, now he's going to finish with you. And I said, if I have to speak to that man again, I'm leaving the store, because he is just a horrible human being. And I went in with enthusiasm and excitement and joy, and he just stole that piece right from out from under me. He, in fact, made the watch worse. Just a terrible experience. So Apple is sending me a box, and I am sending it to them as soon as it gets here. I have peace believing that it's all going to be taken care of. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.